Cooking lobsters in a pot can be messy and time-consuming. Cooking lobsters in a steam oven can provide excellent results in under 30 minutes. Begin by placing the solid pan on the bottom rack level. Turn the control knob to steam and set your temperature to 212 degrees. Combine the lobsters with corn, peeled diced potato, and sausage. Place into the perforated pan and put in the oven above the solid. After about 15 minutes of cooking, add mussels that are placed in the half-size perforated pan in the oven above the lobsters and cook for an additional 8 to 10 minutes or until the shells have opened. To test to see if the lobsters are cooked all the way through, pull on one of the antennas to see if it pulls away from the shell. Place the food on a platter and carefully remove the solid pan and use the broth as a dipping sauce.